So good evening students. Last class we have solved these two problems. While solving this problem, I checked only memoryless and causal. Now I am going to check stability condition for problem C. So what is question? H of n is equal to n into 1 by 2 power n u of n. Check for stability. So summation k equals to minus infinity to infinity mod n, replace n by k. H of k I need h of k, replace n by k. So I can write wherever n is there, replace n by k into u of n. To u of n replaced by u of k. So I return mod h of k. Now for u of k, what are the limits for u of k? U of k exit from 0 to infinity. So now k into 1 by 2 power k. Now it is in the format of, now it is in the form using this formula, summation k equals to 0 to infinity, k into a to the power of k. If it is in this form, so formula is a divided by 1 minus a whole square. And this formula is valid for a less than 1. Apply that formula here. What is a value? A value is 1 by 2. A value is 1 by 2. So I am applying formula. A value is 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus a whole square. 1 by 2. 1 minus half is half. Half square is 1 by 4. Further, 1 by 2 into 4 by 1. This you will get answer 2. And 2 is less than infinity. Therefore, I can say it is stable. Therefore, I can say the given impulse response is stable. Fine. Next, we can go to next problem, h of n. Question number D. D. What is the question? H of n is equal to 2u of n minus 2u of n minus 2. Now sketch this waveform. 2u of n can be sketched like this with magnitude having 2, 0, 1. So this will go till infinity with magnitude is 2. If it is not there means we can write it 1. But in question they are given 2. Minus u of n minus 1. Question is u of n minus 1. N minus 1 means it starts from 1 to infinity. So starting sample is 1 and it will go to infinity. What is the magnitude? 2. Now subtract this 2. By subtracting this 2, at 0 we have 2. Here at 0 we don't have any magnitude. 2 minus 0, 2. At 0 we have 2. What about at 1? At 1, it is 2 minus 2, 0. At 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. At 3 also 0. Negative values also 0. Now take minus 1. 0 minus 0, 0 only. Here also minus 1. We have 0 magnitude. 0 minus 0, 0. Now check this condition. When n is not equal to 0, not equal to 0 means this side and this side. Exactly n equal to 0 means this sample. When n is not equal to 0, what is your h of n? 0. Yes, it is satisfies. H of n equals to 0 if n is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is memoryless. Therefore, it is, we can say it is memoryless. What about causality? Causality. Check this condition. If n less than 0, h of n should be 0. N less than 0, see h of n is 0. Nothing is there. So, therefore, it is causal. Therefore, it is causal. Now, check for stability. Check for stability. So, summation k equals to minus infinity to infinity. Wherever n is there, put n equals to k. So 2 into u of k minus 2 into u of k minus 1. 2 into k minus 1. So now apply the limits. What about 2 u of k? See, I sketched this entire term. What is the answer I got? 2. We have only sample. We have sample is present only at 0. At 0 we have 2. So this entire thing I can write 2 into del of n. This these things, I can write 2 into del of n. Now summation k equals to minus infinity to infinity 2 del of n. Okay. However, u of n minus u of n minus 1 is equal to del of n. Okay. It is also a property, impulse property. U of n minus u of n minus 1 is equal to del of n. However, magnitude is 2. I can write this sample with u of 2 del of n. So now impulses exist only at n equals to 0. Put n equals to 0. Therefore, what happens? 2 into del of 0. What is del of 0? 1. 2 1 ja 2. So 2 is less than infinity. Therefore, it is stable. Okay. Mark this question important. Okay. Next, we can go to question number E. Question number E. What is h of n? H of n is equal to e to the power of 2n u of n minus 1. Okay, sketch this. U of n minus 1 means it starts from 1 onwards. 1, 2, it will go till infinity. Okay, 1 comma 1. I not written this. Okay, this into multiply this. So the waveform starts from here. Okay, e power 2. Since e power positive is there, therefore you will get exponential rise. You will get exponential rise multiplied with this. Okay. So, but I need only u of n. Now look at here. H of n is equal to 0 for n not equal to 0. Check this condition. N is not equal to 0 means here 1, 2, 3 not equal to 0. Okay. But we have magnitudes. This magnitude multiplied with this, definitely some waveform will be there. Therefore, I can write h of n is not equal to 0 for n not equal to 0. Therefore, it is not memoryless. I can write therefore it is not memoryless. What about causality? Now check out here. If n is less than 0, h of n equals to 0. Therefore, I can say it is causal. Okay, now check for stability. Check out for stability. Guys, check out for stability. Summation k equals to minus infinity to infinity mod e power 2k u of k minus 1. U of k minus 1. So entire mod h of k, na? That's why I written like that. What is u of k minus 1? Limit exists from where to where? 1 to infinity. Now summation k equals to 1 to infinity e to the power of 2k. Further, what I can write? Summation k equals to 1 to infinity e to the e square to the power of k. What I can write? I can use the formula. Summation k equals to n to infinity a to the power of k is equal to a to the power of n divided by 1 minus a. What is n? Constant. N is constant. Okay, what is a value? E square. So I can write e square. Constant is power is 1. So power 1 you can write or you can skip. Choice is yours. So that will get same thing only. Now 1 minus a. 1 minus e square. 1 minus e square. See this value you will get infinity is equal to infinity. Therefore I can say it is unstable. Why unstable means e square value, okay, is not less than 1. What is e square? What is e square in our problem? E square is what? A. I told this formula is applicable less than 1. Mod a less than 1. Then only you can apply this formula. Okay, got it? Otherwise, we don't have formula for this. Therefore, what you can do? You can keep on expanding. Put k equals to 1, you will get e square. Put k equals to 2, you will get e square of 2. Like this, put e square, last one is what? Infinity. 2 into infinity, infinity only. E to the power of infinity, infinity. This term will become infinity. Infinity plus something, you will adding together, you will get infinity. This and all we have finite values, but last is having infinity. Infinity plus something, infinity. So the final answer we can approximate it to infinity. Therefore, it is unstable. Okay, fine. Next to this question, F. Please copy down the question number F. Please copy down the question F. Okay, question F. H of n is equal to del of n plus sine n pi.